Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute since I've done a video, but today I will be doing an updated skincare routine. First, I like to go in with the scrub. This is the Petal Fresh White Residence Facial Scrub. This isn't harsh on the skin. Also, it's color free and sulfate free. And I'm just going to be applying this to my face, rubbing it in with my fingertips, getting all the dead skin cells. There's only so much your fingertips can do, so now I'm going to be going in with the facial brush. After I rinse that off, I'll be going in with my Bioré Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser. And since my skin is oily right now at the moment, I will be using this just to soak up all the oil. And I would just be doing this step with the facial brush. Next, I will be going in with the Ēstee Lauder Idealist Dual Action Refinishing Treatment. This is basically to prep your skin, also to give your skin a little bit of life, if that makes sense. You will leave this on for 5 minutes, and it also gets a little bit warm in your hands and on your face, just a little FYI. I wouldn't use this product consistently just because it can dry out your skin very bad, but this is good for oily skin. For a mask, I will be going in with the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Facial Mask, and I will be using a clean makeup brush to apply this. This is good for acne, for dark marks, for dry skin. I'm sorry, not dry skin, I meant oily skin. Yeah, my face has been really oily. I don't know if it's the weather change, but this has been helping me a lot. But you just want to apply a thin layer. If you apply a thick layer, it can burn, so that's another FYI. I will apply a thin layer and leave it on for 10 minutes until it dries. A good cream for under eye, I use the Pond Dark Spot Correcting Cream. I'm just going to be applying that with my ring finger. For moisturizer, I will be using vitamin E oil. My skin loves vitamin E oil. I always use vitamin E oil for my moisturizer if I don't have a cream. Now, to lock in all the moisture and products that I've used on my skin, I will be using an ice cube, and I'll be going around my face with a paper towel, and it's going to again lock all the moisture in, from the rosemary and almond from the scrub, the charcoal from the charcoal cleanser, and the tea tree oil from the mask, and the vitamin E oil. Finally, I'll be going in with my Soo'AE Rose Mist. This is another product that I love and it makes my skin glow. So I'm just going to spritz that all over my face. And this is the last step that I'll be using in my skincare routine. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Comment any ideas if you would like for me to do or see, hair, makeup, anything. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.